Hello, students. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what others do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Here, the poet describes such a person as the rebel. So, students, the poem that we are going to read today is named as The Rebel. It is written by the poet D.J. Enright. It is from the book Honeycomb. Let us know who is a rebel. A rebel is the one who challenges the society and does not follow the social norms. A rebel always likes to oppose others' opinions and he follows his own path. Before proceeding further, it is very important for us to know something about the poet. Dennis Joseph Enright, popularly known as D.J. Enright, was born on 11th March 1920 and died on 31st December 2002. He was an English poet, novelist, and critic. Now we will read the poem, The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes, please, the rebel says, no, thank you. When everybody says, no, thank you, the rebel says, yes, please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. D.J. Enright. So, students, the poet here is not criticizing anyone. He is just telling us about the various activities done by the rebel. Now, let us understand the poem. In the first two lines, the poet expresses the attitude of a social rebel. When everybody keeps short and uniform hair, the rebel grows his hair long. When the rest of the society grows long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When every member of the society talks during a lesson, the rebel keeps silence and doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance by talking loudly just to look distinct. When everyone wears simple and uniform clothes, the rebel uses strange and odd clothes. When everyone wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses himself very seriously and soberly. If some people love dogs as pet animals, the rebel talks about the usefulness of cats. He prefers cats to dogs. If a rebel is in company of those people who love cats, he prefers dogs to cats. The poet says if people require the sunlight and praise the sun, the rebel is against them. He says that the sun is not required and there is need for rain. When everybody of the society welcomes and requires rain, the rebel says something about the sun. He feels sorry for the absence of the sun. According to him, there is need for the sunlight. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes, please, the rebel says, no, thank you. When everybody says, no, thank you, the rebel says, yes, please. In these lines, the poet concludes that it is very good that we have social rebels in the society. But naturally, it is not good to become a social rebel because our society doesn't accept the rebels. The poet further suggests that if we already have the social rebels, we should tolerate them. Without them, the life will be monotonous and dull. So, students, we have come to know that the rebel always works in contradiction with the rest of the society. It seems that having rebels around us is beneficial as they train us to acknowledge differences. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. Thank you, students.